good, YouTube? And in this video, man, I'll be showing y'all how to do your own cut. Quarantine cuts, feel me? Now your boy looking a little rough, you know. It's something I could fix, for me. But by the end of this video, I promise you, I will be looking good, for me. But look, man, me showing y'all how to do the lineup. You know, I thought it would be good to do a high taper, you know. This is my first time doing a high taper on myself, bro. So, you know, I don't know what to expect. But have I done a high taper on somebody? Yes, I did. Now, my barber page will be right here, the name of it. For me, man. But look, let's not talk too much, man. Let's get straight to this video, man. First things you want to do, bro, is brush your hair, man. You know, you always want to brush your hair, for me. That's first thing, you know. That's what I feel like the first thing to do is brush your hair. All the tools that I'm using in this video is cordless. All cordless. Now, I will be using for the lineup part a wireless one. But I do recommend is the Andis TI liners. Those are really good, man. But you know, yeah, these are good too, bro. Man, the first thing I want to be doing, man, is you're gonna grab your Andis TI liner or your Andis Slimline Pro, or you could grab your clipper. For me, just do it yourself. But I'm gonna do it with this. First thing you wanna do, bro, you wanna brush. You wanna make a line. You wanna make a line. For me, a line. So. Now, I balled it out with my Andis shavers. Real easy, you know? Look at this side, you know? You just want to do the same thing, for me? Now, it's real easy this side. I feel like, cause like, you know, it's like my right side, so it's gonna be real easy to just do, for me? Make sure everything the same, you know. Now what I do, I go open with my Andis Cordless Master. Like I said, you only gotta use these specifically clip I'm using, bro. You can use Osterfies, man. I got Osterfies back there. You know, them clippers are good. You know, but yeah, let's do it, bro. So, you know, I'm going up like a little inch, man. We just going to see, man. Let me show y'all brush. I don't know if y'all see that. I went up. You know, you can see the ball line right there, and then you can see all that. I went up. Now, don't worry. We're gonna get rid of that line right there. Y'all see that? We're gonna get rid of that line. Trust me. You know. But look, I like doing this. I like doing both sides. Now, look, I'm not gonna just keep doing this side, and I'm gonna just keep going. Just, you know, once I do this, I'm gonna do this side now. I'm gonna just do this step right here. Cause after that step, you know, it's really easy what to do, you know. But like, this guideline here is really important. That's why I'm saying, like, you know, I'm gonna, right after this, I'm gonna do this side. And then keep it like that until I'm done with this side, feel me? Let's do it. Hope y'all understand, feel me? I hope y'all explain to y'all the best I can, feel me? So I'm gonna just do this side, feel me? I already know how this side came out, feel me? So yeah. What y'all think, yo? Oh! Yo! Bro, I'm telling y'all, this is my first time doing a high taper, so I don't know, like, what, yo? Hold on. We got, look. Trust me, I got y'all, bro. I know what I'm doing, bro. This is open, all the way open. This is all the way closed. For me, open, closed, open, closed. Real simple, man. Now I'm going step by step. Boom, 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 boom. Step by step. There's 5 of them. Just follow them, bro. Follow them. when you go close, you slowly going down. Feel me? Like right now, I'm going right there. Going right there. Just, you know, I'm not focused at the line specifically, but like I'm, you know, somewhat there in the line. You know, I'm slowly going close. I'm slowly going down now. Right here in the middle, I'm slowly, like, you know, I'm like directly at the line now. Not all the way at the line, but I'm like almost there, you know. But I would, y'all, you know, just focus on the line, you know. Focus on the line. Don't go too up. Don't go too up. Don't get close. You know, if you see any dark spots, though, you know, take that off, man. Take the dark spots off, you know. Really know how to play with the leather, man. You're gonna be good, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You're gonna be good. Like, you know, I have steps, you know. When I first really started, I just go step by step. That's how I'm teaching y'all. I go step by step. But I already know my way to take out the line, you know. That's how I do it. But right now, I'm just going step by step, you know. Just like y'all. So, you know, I wanna do the same thing y'all doing, you know. You know what I mean, bro? But look, that line is away now. I know y'all see that line, feel me? I'm making the same thing as this side. I just slapped myself. Alright, bro. Same steps, bro. I'm going slowly close with it, which is going directly at the line. When I'm closed, directly at the line, feel me? One, bro, with my number 1. And do that second guideline now. My second guideline, which is the part where it really comes. Like right now, you probably like, oh my God, I'm scared, man. What am I doing? What am I doing? That's how I first was when I saw this. Like when I started doing my own fade, I'm like, bro, I have a line in this ball, bro. Like what? Oh, I'm fucked up. That's how I was. I was just like y'all, man. But then I started, once I put the one guard, I'm like, oh, but like, so don't worry, y'all. Like, don't worry. Just see the steps, man. See what I'm doing. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see how it comes out, man. But, man, so now I'm just, you gonna see what I'm doing, man. With the number 1 all the way open. Only gonna go right here, and I'm gonna just focus. You know, I'm gonna just be like the same way in the first step. You're slowly gonna go up with it still, for me. You know, nothing's gonna happen for me because you're like not closed yet. Now I'm halfway now. Now I'm starting to focus on that line now, directly. Close with it. And I'm gonna focus on that line only, bro. Nothing else but that line. You can use your corners too. Corners, that helps a lot, bro. It helps. Zero guy. Y'all probably thinking like, why you not doing that side? Sheesh! That's how it look tight fuck, man. But it's not fucked, man. It's not fucked up. Promise you. But right now I'm going my zero guard to take this middle line. I'll show y'all my technique, man. I'm gonna go halfway with it. Halfway first. My technique. And then with my corners. Then I'm gonna go close. I went halfway, closed after that. Second. I'm gonna go right in the second, man. Just like, you know, you wanna play with it. I'm going to second because I'm just playing with my leather now, you know? Then I'm gonna use my number 2, bro. Oh, shit. I'm probably thinking like, oh, shit, that's how I fucked. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. But look. Going my number 2 all the way open. Just gonna focus on this top right here. He came out. Once I'm done with this side right here, cause you know y'all probably waiting like, bro, when you gonna fix this side, buddy? Cause this side looks tough. This side looking a little bad right now. I mean, but don't worry, bro. Don't worry, cause I got you, bro. I'm gonna fix this side. I'm gonna fix this side for y'all. All the way. right now I'm polishing my work right now, you know. You know, some people do that in the end of the cut when like all done right now. But right now, you know, I just wanna, you know, right now it's type late, but I ain't gonna hold you. It's type. You know, I'm taking like, you know, some people they need a lot of polish work, man. They need some people that need polish work, man. You know, like take your time, bro. I'm about to do my shape up now, man. Now, a lot of people probably came for this video to see the shape up part.
A lot of people need that part. So right now I'm gonna just.
I sprayed a lot. I ain't gonna hold you. I sprayed a lot. There was no need for me to spray that much. Your boy got barely baby hair. For me, recommend this. Spritz, they both good, man. For me, right now, I'm just laying down my hair. For me, I'm gonna be showing you how to use StraightRazor too. Stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned, bro. Like for real, stay tuned, bro. So, in derbies, I'm not even there at that part yet. Alright, bro. I'm gonna just do my shape up, man. I'm gonna just stop talking, man. Talk too much. Alright. Let me brush my hair, just in case, you know. You never know. For me, you never know. Oh, hold up, man. Your boy got a little baby hair. For me, you know what I'm saying? Hold up. First thing you want to do when you do a shape up, you want to start in the middle. Work my way to my right side. Right here, my right side. Y'all could do left, right, but your boy ain't fucked up, man. Imagine me fucking up in the tutorial, bro. That I did, man. Imagine someone fucking up on their own tutorial, bro. Yo, that'd be crazy, man. I need to see a video like that, man. I ain't gonna hold you, man. Like, actually, what am I talking about? I've seen a lot of videos like that, actually. Like, people fucked up, actually. Man, you just want to work on the shape up for me. I mean, like, once you get professional, man, at doing your lineup, bro, like, you're gonna, like, really start taking care. Like, you know, I'm not the people that rush my lineup. Now it's time to do the sides. I mean, I like doing the sides. It's really easy. Sheesh! Bro, I be finessing myself, man. Like, I don't need a barber, man. Like, y'all see, I be finessing myself. That's period. I mean, like, bro, I need someone to be right next to me and be like, period, bro. That's period, man. But like a girl, like, tell me this don't look crispy, bro. Like, tell me. You're gonna tell me this don't look crispy right here? You're gonna tell me. Me. I am a finesse god. Like, bro, bro, there's no joke, man. I'm really like that, man. Like, I'm gonna just talk, you know. I'm doing touch up, with a light trimmer for me. It's still hitters though. But look, cut is tough, feel me? It's dead tough, bro. Now when you're doing this, when you're doing StraightRazor, you wanna stretch your skin, bro. Stretch it, feel me? It's just right, like, it's just right. I gotta make my eyebrows look good for me, like. No enhancements, bro. Y'all saw, I ain't put no enhancements, bro. This is straight for me, like, feel me, bro, like, feel me? No enhancements, bro. High taper fee. Feel me? Look at our eyebrows. Like, much to say, but if you enjoy this video, man, make sure you leave a got done? Alright. Leave a like. A like, bruh. Yo, bro, it only takes 5 seconds, bro. Like, you know how that crazy? Make sure you share this, man, cause this is a quarantine cut. And you know people need to learn how they do their own cut, you know? Definitely comment what y'all wanna see, man. Cause look, I already got some suggestions like what to do with my ring light. If you want to see more tutorials, man, make sure you comment, cause you know I'm already know what to do when I get my ring light. Your boy Doc's Clientele, and I'm out.